Welcome to Mrbelleskitchen. Today, first of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, been wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mrbelleskitchen. Thank you for leaving all the good comments and everything. Hope I've been getting back to the best of my knowledge and everything, getting back to you. I know a lot of people been leaving comments that they power eggshell, different parts of their power eggshell been breaking, no parts and everything. But Mr. Bell gonna do a special touch on that, where you can buy your parts at and everything. That's gonna be on a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Today I'll be doing something different in the power eggshell. Today I'll be sauteing a nice round steak and everything. Today I'll be using different ingredients. Today I'll be using little olive oil, soy sauce, teaspoon of seasoned salt, teaspoon of slap your mama, teaspoon lemon pepper, teaspoon kicking chicken, and half of an onion, 1 lemon, and 2 pieces of garlic. And as you see, the steak is right here. I'll be sauteing this nice and good. I'll be doing it a little different. Okay, so now we're gonna get started. For all my first time viewers, you know how to take this top. You don't know how to take the top off, this is how you take it off. 1, 2, and off it go. So today I'm gonna set this to the side, because I won't be using that top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this right here on saute. I'm gonna set it for 375, and I'm gonna set it on saute. I'm setting it on 350, and I'm gonna set it for 55 minutes. And I'm gonna press start. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil in there so it could be getting nice and hot and everything. Just like that. That's about enough right there, because I'm gonna saute up everything, get it nice, good and brown. That's enough right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just mix up all my ingredients together, put all these seasoning up together, nice and good. Just like that. Mix it in there together. You know, I like to put it together that way. Everything will be nice, good, and tasty and everything. I'm just gonna mix it up just like that. Get it nice mixed up. Just like that. You see how good that is mixed up together and everything. So I'm gonna set this right to the side with the rest of it and everything. Now, okay, I'm gonna put my onions in there like this. I'm just put them in there. Today I'm using some nice, good, huge onions and everything. I'm gonna put my garlic in there. So that just sizzles up and everything. Just like that. I'm just going to stir this, mix it up one time. Just like that. And yeah, mix it up, get that started just like that. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my season, just put it on just like this. Rub it on there just like that, nice and good. And flip it over. Just season this up nice and good. Just put that season all over it. That's like that. Just flip it. Flip it again, like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this steak in here just like that. Just let that cook like that. Mix up them onions and everything. Let that get nice, good, and brown. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some of these onions out so they don't burn or nothing. Take some of them out. I just wanted that seasoning to get on it nice and good and everything. And I'm just gonna take them out and put them on this, put them on this little plate right here. So they don't burn and everything. And I'll put them back in later. Just like this. Just take them out. As you see, they looking nice and good. Garlic is looking good and everything on it. Just like that. Take them out and put them to the side. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it, just like that. Squeeze that lemon on, like that, and I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna squeeze a little more lemon on there, like that. Just like that. Squeeze it looking nice and good. Let it burn up on there like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Add a little water in there so it can be nice and good. And everything, flip it one more time. Get it nice and good. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little soy sauce in there right over it and everything. Just like that, just a little of it. Not much. And I'm gonna flip this over one time. Get this nice and good. Just like that. I'm gonna sit the top on it like that and let it sit for a couple minutes and everything. And for all my first time viewers, while this is cooking, wash the dishes as it cooks. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your friend or your roommate, because they might be hungry and turn down the food. They're wondering who's gonna wash the dishes. Wash the dishes as it goes, that way everyone can enjoy the delicious dish. Okay, I'm gonna take this top off. I'm gonna take this out for a minute. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice it, just get an idea, see how good it looks in the inside of it and everything. Set it to the side. We're gonna do this together. Just to get an idea, because you know Mr. Bell like everything cooked just right. As you see, it's getting nice and good in the inside and everything. So I'm gonna let it cook just a little bit more, put the top on it and let it cook. Get back in and let it cook just a little more. Just like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spread these onions in just like this. Like that. Okay, we're gonna take a sneak peek at it and everything. Just like that. I'm gonna take this top off. And I'm gonna flip it one time. Looking nice and good. And everything. And I'm gonna sit the top back on for 1 minute, couple minutes. Looking good. Okay, this is just about done. I'm taking it out. I'm gonna press cancel, and it's cancel. So it's only been 27 minutes. So I'm gonna take this out and put it to the side and everything. It's looking nice and good. Like this. Take it out, that's looking good and everything. I'm gonna take this pan out. I'm gonna just scrape my little onions and everything right on top of it. Make it nice and good. Just like that. Set this to the side. And everything. And this right here is your lemon sauté steak. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. Or if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you. And that's it.